The ancient origin of Earth's continents is finally being revealed in a new study showing that the planet's crust ballooned about 3 billion years ago thanks to a massive growth spurt. The findings, published in Nature Communications, come from a pretty wild source: miniature grains of zircon crystals, no more than a hair's width in size, found in stream sediments in Greenland. Geoscientists blasted the crystals with an ion beam to age their growth rings, like tree rings, from billions of years of magma injection. They found the crystals were composed of both older and newer crust fragments, suggesting the older fragments acted as seeds for the growth of our modern-day continents. Quote, "We think of crust as this buoyant material that sits on top of the mantle," unquote, lead researcher Chris Kirkland told Live Science. Quote, "It constantly gets an injection of new material coming from below. The longer it sits on top, the more new material is injected into it, and the larger it becomes," unquote. According to the research, mantle temperatures peaked around 3 billion years ago, causing the planet's crust to balloon for a period of about 200 million years. Magma then oozed into fragments of the older crust above, which was much thinner and weaker than it is today, eventually breaking apart into floating life rafts from which new crust could grow. The results of the study could help us find new sources of depleted metals in the deeper crust, though mining them would prove to be a challenge.